Hello, good morning, madam and everyone. First of all, let me introduce our group members. We have 5 members. First, Sophia, that's me. Second, Nur Akila. Thirdly, Muhammad Akif. Fourthly, Nur Farisha. And lastly, Nur Alia Safia. Today, we will present our Engineering Mathematics 2 theory assignment about matrix, operations, and system of linear equations. In this assignment, we apply matrix operations to calculate sales, cost, and profit of coffee shop branches. Besides that, we also use Cramer's rule to solve a real-life problem involving furniture production with 3 variables. Now, I will pass the presentation to my friend to explain problem 1.
Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Akif Ashraf, normal matrix DD22515. Today, I want to solve problem 1A. As you can see, A express the sales data for each branch in metric form. So, to find sales, we need to determine order and price. At question, we can see the price is 10 for latte, 15 for hazelnut, 12 for matcha. And for order, which is brunch and coffee, Puncak Alam, Shah Alam and Siti Alam. First, we need to arrange order and price in metric form, which is 9, 10, 14 for column 1, 16, 12, 8 for column 2, 15, 9, 10 for column 3. Same at the price, 10, 15, and 12. So, use multiply matrix, which is order multiply price. So we can get 408 column 1, 436 column 2, and 405 column 3. Next, question 1b. B, write the cost of production of each branch in metric form. So we know the order in metric form, right? So we need to search cost in metric form. The cost of production for latte is 5 ringgit, hazelnut 10 ringgit, and matcha 8 ringgit. So use the multiply matrix, order multiply cost, and we get cost of each branch. For column 1, 257, column 2, 264, column 3, 245. That's all for me. Thank you. Question 1A and B.
Hi, my name is Nurul Farsha binti Muhammad. I'm from D2B. My number matrix is DD22541. For question C, we need to state the order of the branch and price matrix. So first of all, this is row and this is column. The branch matrix represents the sales data for 3 branch and 3 types of coffee. So it has 3 rows and 3 columns, which means the order is 3 by 3. Meanwhile, the price matrix shows the prices of 3 types of coffee in a single column. So it has 3 rows and 1 column, which means the order is 3 by 1. In conclusion, the branch matrix is 3 by 3 and the price matrix is 3 by 1.
Hello, my name is Nur Akila binti Muhammad Fuad. I'm from class D2B. My nometric is DD22529. For question D, calculate the total profit for each brand. For this question, the first step is I use the profit formula. That is profit equals to price minus cost and multiply by units sold. So we subtract the cost from the price for each branch. The price vector is 10 for latte, 50 for hazelnut, and 12 for matcha. And the cost vector is 5 for latte, 10 for hazelnut, and 8 for matcha. Now we subtract 10 minus 5, 50 minus 10, and 12 minus 8 equals to 5, 5, and 4. This means the profit per unit for each branch is 5 for latte, 5 for hazelnut, and 4 for matcha. Next, we multiply the sales matrix by the profit per unit vector. The sales matrix is 9, 16, and 15 for the first column, 10, 12, and 9 for the second column, and 40, 8, and 10 for the third column. And the profit per unit vector is 5, 5, and 4. Now, we calculate for each branch one by one. For branch 1, is 9 times 5 plus 10 times 5 plus 14 times 4 equals to 45 plus 50 plus 56, and it is equals to 150. For branch 2 is 16 times 5 plus 12 times 5 plus 8 times 4 equal to 18 plus 16 plus 32, and it is equals to 170. For branch 3 is 15 times 5 plus 9 times 5 plus 10 times 4 equals to 75 plus 45 plus 14 equals to 160. So, the total profit for each branch is branch 1 equals to 151, branch 2 equals to 172, and branch 3 equals to 160. In conclusion, the branch profit are 151 for Puncak Alam, 172 for Shah Alam, and 160 for Setia Alam. For next question is question E. If Medis want to increase sale, which coffee shop branch should he promote more? Okay, for this question, if Medis want to increase sales, the best coffee shop branch that should be promoted more is Puncak Alam. It is because it has the lowest total profit, which is 151, compared to Shah Alam and Setia Alam. Also, it has the greatest opportunity for improvement. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nurul Farsha binti Muhammad. I'm from D2B. My number matrix is DD22541. For question F, we need to suggest two strategies to increase the sales of the lowest sales branch, which is Puncak Alam. The first strategy is to offer discounts. For example, the shop can provide promotions or combo deals to attract more customers. The second strategy is to improve marketing. For example, the business can use social media such as Instagram or TikTok to promote their products and reach more customers. With these strategies, the sales of the branch can be increased.
Hi, my name is Alia. In this problem, we look at a furniture factory that produce three products: chairs, table, and desk. Each product require wood, labor hour, and machine time. To make sure the factory runs smoothly, we need to find out how many of each product will be produced while meeting all the source limit. We use three variables. X is number of chairs, Y is number of table, and Z is number of desks. Okay, so for the first step, we need to find the main determine. We start by calculating the determine of the original matrix. The answer is -7. The value will be used to divide all the results later. For the step 2, find the determine for x equals to dx. We replace the first column with the number from the results, which is 5, 4, and 7. After calculating, we get dx equals to -21. So, x equals to dx over d equals to -21 over -7 equals to 3. Step 3, find the determine for y, which is dy. Now we replace the second column with the result. The calculating give dx equals -40. So y will be dy over d equals to -40 over -7, and you will get 2. Step 4, find the determine for z, which is dz. Finally, we replace the third column with the result. The calculating give dz equals -40. So z equals dz over d, and you can and you get -40 over -7, and you get 2. And you will get final answer x equals to 3, y equals to 2, and z equals to 2. This means the factory should be produced 3 chairs, 2 tables, and 2 desks to meet all the requirements for wood, labor, and machine time.
In conclusion, the assignment shows that matrix operation and system of linear equation are very useful in solving real-life problems. For problem 1, we use matrix multiplication to calculate the sale, cost, and profit of different coffee shop batches. This help business make better decisions. For problem 2, we apply Cramer's rule to solve a system of linear equation involving three variables. This method can be used in engineering and resource planning. Overall, this assignment helped us understand how mathematics can be applied in a real-world situation. Thank you.